Hi, I'm Bryce Shivers.
Hi, I'm Lisa Eversman.
And we put birds on things. Today we're going to go to a store on Mississippi Avenue. Nothing has birds on it, but you know what we're going to do? We're going to put birds on things.
Spruce it up. Make it pretty.
Thank you.
Put a bird on it. Putting a bird on this teapot. It's a bird. I bet you it's flying all over the beach.
What a sad little tote bag. I know, I'll put a bird on it. Did you see this bag before? I didn't. Now there's a bird. It's flying. It's free.
Put a bird on it.
There's birds everywhere. And now you can open for business.
Please go away.
I'm allergic. I'm allergic. Yeah, you're not wanting.
Oh, gross.
This presentation will provide two quick examples of poor course accessibility and two examples of well-designed accessibility. The purpose is to illustrate how important it is to take the proper steps to ensure that course content is available to all of the learners in a course. First, let's take a look at a PDF document that was scanned and uploaded for students. A visually impaired student would be using a screen reading software to listen to this document. Here's how it would sound using that software.
Headings 0 items. Example scan PDF. Example scan PDF HTML content. Image. 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 Image.
A scanned document will come through as a series of images, which the screen reading software cannot interpret. Because of this, PDFs and other documents should be full text documents and contain proper tags for headings, images, and reading structure. Let's take a look at the same document with the proper formatting and tagging done to make it accessible.
Headings 7 items. 1. Lecture 2. Appropriate bargaining units and contract administration. 2. Introduction. 2. Appropriate bargaining units. Heading Level 2 items. Appropriate bargaining units. There are a number of considerations that are made by the statutory authority in the consideration of the construction of an appropriate bargaining unit.
As you can see, the text was fully readable by the screen reading software. Also, properly tagging the headings allows the students to quickly locate and skip to a specific location of the document, instead of having to listen to the entire thing every time. Let's look at a content item in Blackboard Learn that contains an image and a link to an external site.
Heading Level 3. Notice. Getting to Yes. Zip 235888534_1 image. You can purchase Getting to Yes at Amazon by going to visited link http://www.amazon.com/getting-yes negotiating agreement without ebook/DP/B005-1SDM5Q/ref=senior_1.
In this example, the screen reading software is only able to alert the student that an image is on the page, but the student misses out on the important information contained within the image. Also, the link provided is not screen reader or listener friendly by any means. It's too long and comes across as gibberish through the software. Finally, let's see that same content item again, this time with proper image tagging in a well-designed link.
Heading Level 3. Notice, Getting to Yes. The book Getting to Yes will need to be read by the end of Module 2. Image. You can. Visited link. Purchase Getting to Yes through Amazon.
Now, the image has a proper alt tag, which provides alternate text about the image to the screen reading software, ensuring that the important information is passed on to the student. Also, providing a text description as the link itself instead of the full address makes it much friendlier on the screen reader and tidier on the screen in general. These were just two examples of how accessibility can matter in course design. This may just represent the tip of the iceberg when trying to design a fully accessible course, but hopefully it is more apparent now why accessibility matters.
Two Clint Eastwood directed movies, Flags of Our Fathers and Letters from Iwo Jima, released 2 months apart in the United States in 2006, illustrate two different perspectives of the same battle in World War II. Eastwood paints a complex, emotional experience of the war from two opposing sides. We first identify and empathize with the American soldiers, and then, 2 months later, find ourselves identifying and empathizing with the Japanese soldiers. This is what Ken Baines refers to in What the Best College Teachers Do as challenging mental models. By first recreating the battle from the traditional American view, and then showing us the same battle from the Japanese perspective, Eastwood creates a masterful challenge to our mental model of World War II. Baines suggests that in order to help students develop critical thinking skills, we must first realize that they enter the classroom with a mental model of how the world works. If we offer them new materials, new evidence of the world, they will work very hard to make that information fit their current mental model. He gives a wonderful example of two professors at Arizona State. The professors wanted to know if their introductory course in physics, with an emphasis on Newton's laws of motion, changed the way students thought about motion. They devised a test to determine students' perception of motion before taking their class. Most students entered the class with an elementary, intuitive theory about the physical world that was a cross between Aristotelian and 14th century impetus ideas. In short, not the way Newton thought about motion. After the term was over, the professors gave the test again. Did the course change student thinking? No. Most surprisingly, many A students had not changed their mental models. They had learned how to memorize formulae, but they did not change their basic conceptions. How do you change mental models? By challenging assumptions and putting students in compelling situations in which their mental models will not
Take a few long, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, down through your belly, and out through your mouth. Acknowledge your thoughts, and then let them go. Relax.